Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will create a rock, paper, scissors game step by step using Python. For the graphical interface, we will use the Tkinter library. First, we import Tkinter to build the GUI and the random module to generate random computer choices. Now we create a list containing all game choices, rock, paper, and scissors. Next, we create the main game function. This function handles the user choice, generates the computer choice, and checks the game result. This line randomly selects rock, paper, or scissors for the computer. Now we display the choices selected by the player and the computer. Here we implement the game logic. First, we check if both choices are the same. Then we check all winning conditions for the player. Otherwise, the player loses the game. Finally, we display the game result on the screen. Now we create the main application window and apply a modern dark theme design. Next, we add the game title and labels to display player and computer choices. Now we create the game buttons. Each button calls the play function with a different choice. And now our rock, paper, scissors game is complete. Let's run the application. As you can see, the game is working perfectly with random computer choices and proper game logic. If you enjoyed this Python project, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more coding tutorials and beginner-friendly GUI projects. Thanks for watching.